The L3 error on your Spectrum cable box means it's stuck during the boot up process, specifically while loading system software. Think of it as a temporary glitch, preventing the box from accessing channels and on demand services. It's often due to corrupted software, loose cable connections, or signal interference. While frustrating, it's often fixable at home, even with older boxes like Motorola 5100s or newer Spectrum branded devices. First, perform a hard reset by unplugging your cable box for 60 seconds, then plugging it back in. This clears temporary software issues and often resolves the L3 error. Next, check all cable connections, especially the coaxial cable, ensuring they're secure and not frayed. Loose or damaged cables can cause signal issues leading to L3. If the problem persists, use the Spectrum app to test your signal strength. It should be above 40 dB membered for proper operation. As a last resort, consider a factory reset. Check your box's manual for instructions on accessing the reset button. For persistent issues, contact Spectrum for a refresh command or visit a store to swap the box.